This is Seth Vidya Mandir, HSC Online Audio Video Lecture Series. I am your lecturer Beena Raikar and this shall be teaching Organization of Commerce. Today I am continuing with my third chapter, Entrepreneurship Development. Today I am going to explain what you mean by the concept of entrepreneur, a revision of what we had done in the last video, and the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. The definition of what an entrepreneur should be. According to Webster Dictionary, an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. Okay, so an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business, he takes risk, and plus he wants to have money. So these are the three things that should be there to make an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurs are innovators. Innovators, they have innovation, they have good ideas, they have a new product, a new idea, a new service that they want to give to the customers. They are owners, producers, they are market creators, they are decision takers and risk takers. Entrepreneurs are referred to as fourth factor of production along with the other factors such as land, labor and capital. You have already studied these four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur is the fourth factor of production. They generate employment opportunities, that is they give employment to people, and they are the backbone of the nation's economic progress. They play a very important role in the development of any country. So now let's see the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. That is, if you want to become an entrepreneur and you want to be successful in being an entrepreneur, what the qualities are there that you should have? First, an entrepreneur should be disciplined. An entrepreneur should have confidence, should be open-minded, should be a self-starter, should be competitive in nature, should have creativity, should have determination, should have strong communication skills, should have strong work ethics, and should have a lot of passion. Let's see the first quality of a successful entrepreneur, and the first quality is that the successful entrepreneur should be disciplined. These individuals, that is entrepreneurs, are focused on making their business work and eliminate any hindrances or distractions to their goals. That is, whatever hindrances are there, whatever obstacles are there, they remove them and they only focus on seeing that the business is running successfully. An entrepreneur has comprehensive strategies and outlines the tactics to accomplish them. That is, he has strategies, he has planning, he has tactics. Why? Because he wants his business to be successful. Successful entrepreneur is disciplined enough to take every step every day towards the achievement of his objectives. Day and night he thinks only of his business and how his business is going to work. For that, he has strategies, he outlines tactics, he plans in advance, he writes it down, and he disciplines each and every day, each and every step towards his achievements. The second one is confidence. An entrepreneur does not ask questions about whether he can succeed or whether he is worthy of it. Okay, he is not in two minds. He is confident with the knowledge that he will make his business succeed. He shows that confidence in everything he does. Okay, students, confidence is a very important characteristic. If you don't have confidence, you won't succeed. You should be confident enough in whatever you do. You should not have questions whether you're going to succeed or whether you're worthy of it or should I change the business, nothing like that. Whatever you want to do in the business, you have to have confidence in that. The third one is open-minded. Entrepreneur realizes that every event and situation is a business opportunity. Ideas are constantly being generated about workflows and efficiency, people skills and potential new businesses. He has the ability to look at everything around him and focuses it towards his goals. Entrepreneur, they see students, you should realize that entrepreneur wants to make his business run. Okay, so for that, every event, every opportunity or every situation that he sees in the market, he turns it into an opportunity to do a business and to be successful. He uses potentials, his own potentials, he uses people's skill, okay, and every resources that he can acquire from the market to make his business successful. The fourth one is self-starter. Entrepreneur knows that if something needs to be done, he should start it himself. He cannot wait for others, okay, because it is his own business, it is his own idea and he wants to be successful, so he has to start it himself. He cannot wait for others. He sets the parameters and makes sure that project flows that path. Since it is his own business, his own idea, he will always make a path, he will always make a track, he will always put down parameters and he will follow the parameters and he will tell his employees and his other persons involved in the business also to follow that particular path. He is proactive. He does not wait for someone to give him permission. Okay, he does everything on his own. He is a starter. The next one, fifth one, is competitive. An entrepreneur should always be competitive. Many companies are formed because an entrepreneur knows that he can do a better than others. Okay, if I'm doing a business, I know that that job can be done better by me than by others. So I will start my own company. That's what a entrepreneur quality is. He needs to win the game of business. An entrepreneur will highlight his own company's track record of success. He will highlight his own, he knows how to highlight, he knows how to advertise, he knows how to publish his company's records. The fifth one is creativity. One aspect of creativity is being able to make connections between seemingly unrelated events or situations. Entrepreneur often comes up with solutions which are synthetic to other items. He will repurpose products to market them to new industries. So students, if you see the picture, what do you see the picture as? Okay, it is the material that we use in kitchen, right? It's a grater that we use in the kitchen. This grater has been converted into a into a earring holder, into a keychain holder, into a lights, into lamps. Okay, this is something called as creativity. You're going to start your own product. For that, you have to use your own creativity, repurpose the products, and then resell and then sell it to a new market. This is how new industries are formed. Seventh one is determination. Entrepreneur is not taught by his defeats. He looks at defeat as an opportunity for success. He is determined to make all of his endeavors succeed, so will try and try again till he does. This is what an entrepreneur does. He won't put down his step for if he has failed. Okay, according to him, one failure step is one opportunity more to get it done. So naturally, he looks at his defeat as an opportunity for success. Successful entrepreneur does not believe that something cannot be done. Eighth one, strong communication skills. The entrepreneur has strong communication skills to sell the product or to motivate employees. Most successful entrepreneur knows how to motivate his employees so the business grows well. He is very good at highlighting the benefits of any situation and coaching others to their success. So he should have a strong communication skill. He should know how to motivate his employees. He should know how to sell his product. So he is keeping his customers happy. He is keeping his employees happy. Similarly, he is highlighting the benefits of all the situations and coaching others so that even they can succeed. But only if he has strong communication skills will he be able to do all this. Ninth one is strong work ethics. A successful entrepreneur will often be the first person to arrive at the office and the last one to leave. He will come on his day off to make sure that an outcome meets his expectation. His mind is constantly on his work, whether he is in or he is out of his workplace. See students, an entrepreneur is a person who has started a business. Okay, it is his product, his idea, his service which he wants to give to the customers. So naturally he will be the first person to arrive in the office, and he also be the last one to leave because he cannot wait for others. He is a self-starter. Okay, similarly he'll come on his day off also to make sure that things are working, things are going ahead, and his mind is constantly at his work. Okay, so that is the reason, and a successful entrepreneur has very strong work ethics. And the last one is passion. Passion is the most important trait of a successful entrepreneur. He genuinely loves his work. He is willing to put in those extra hours to make the business succeed. There is a joy his business gives which goes beyond the money. The successful entrepreneur will always be ready and researching ways to make business better. Okay, because it is his passion. It is not his business. His business is passion. He likes to work. He likes to give his product to his customers. So naturally, to make it successful, he is going to put in extra hours. He is going to help his employees. He is going to see that his customers are happy. Why? Because he wants to make his business better. Okay, I hope you have understood all these 10 points of characteristics of business, that is your successful entrepreneur. Okay, qualities of successful entrepreneur. We'll just revise it once again. Entrepreneur should be disciplined, he should be confident, he should be open-minded, he should be a self-starter, he should be competitive, he should have creativity, he should have determination, he should have strong communication skills, he should have strong work ethics, and last one, he should have passion towards his work. I hope you have understood. Thank you students. And now goes to the question. I have already discussed the first one, that is characteristics of an entrepreneur, and these are qualities of a successful entrepreneur. 2 questions for you to write down. Thank you.